guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know what time it is, your boy Chippin. I'm at Dansuman Keep I'm at Dansuman Keep and I've seen this Suya place. Oh my god. So it's just so attractive, and there is no way I'm not gonna bring it to you guys. You don't know what time it is. Stay tuned to my channel. Peace. This one be what? Sausages. Where this one be? This one be, I confirm. Guinea fowl. So we meet this.
Meat.
Nenchie. That be cow. So all be cow. So this one be the cow. Towel. Tribe. Okay. And then chicken feet. Oh wow. And I with chicha meko ne garlic chale. And I mean cabbage can on or not. Yeah. Oh, for me to taste. Allah. Yo. Think they go down. They go down, I swear. Sorry, I think they go down.
Collect the cabbage and pepper small for real.
Yeah, the cabbage and the pepper. Allah. You take the waiting. And the pepper small shit. Oh no, we'll go past there. That one will be a memory.
That be my problem.
That problem we get some.
This is we chop. The one they do for your something household can do. Is what not thing? Can you see? Okay, now how did this time I try to